Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Covebalm or Covebalm Beauty. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a beauty product for women. It's basically just like a toner right here, as you can see. So you should buy based on your skin tone. Now, judging from these, from what I don't know a lot about makeup. However, I wouldn't advise against buying something online if you actually can't see it and compare it to your own skin. So I know that women are very meticulous about the shade that they use to match their skin. So just basing it from online is very inaccurate, and you may get the wrong shade, and you may be very unsatisfied about the product, and you might ended up wasting your money. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right here. However, they're actually rated 5.0, which is 5 stars out of 5 out of 5, with only 4 ratings here on Amazon. So let's read the reviews here. So great coverage, great texture, pretty color, and blends smoothly. Shade is accurate for a beautiful chocolate lady. Lightweight and works well. So judging from those 4, it does seem to be actually pretty legit. And yeah, that is it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.